Hi everyone, こんにちは. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today, I'd like to introduce how to make a set meal for 9 to 10 months olds. Do you enjoy my baby food in Japan series? And what makes this video special is that with a little seasonings, the parents can eat along while taking care of baby. You have so many things to do, and I hope this recipe video will help you to create more free time for you and for your family. The menus of this set meal will be porridge with codfish and sesame salad with pumpkin and a tofu dessert with cheese. Set meal includes the carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, calcium, and also fiber. And as always, my Farley family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. set meal is ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます。I try the porridge first. It's so comfort, and I sprinkle some salt. So it has a good saltiness. The cold fish also goes well with the porridge. Now the sesame salad with pumpkin. Natural sweetness from the pumpkin. And I can certainly taste the nutty flavor from the sesame. If you want more flavor, I recommend to add a bit more sugar and soy sauce. The last one, tofu topped with cheese and paprika and carrots. So if you have a leftover tofu after making miso soup, I recommend you to make this dish. In no time, you'll have a fancy dish ready to go. ごちそうさまでした。So here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: when handling the fish, be careful of bones. Please check in detail and remove all of it. Tip: cheese should melt very well. And please boil paprika and carrots until soft. And tip: for sesame salad, I'll use the pumpkin today, but I also recommend to use the sweet potato and other green veggies. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was this set meal recipe video? I hope this recipe video will help you to make healthy and nutritious meals, including baby meals, toddler food, and pregnancy meals, and also desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe. Want more set meal recipes? Please also comment me down below to continue. Okay, so thank you for watching everyone. We will see you next time. Bye bye!